I can also create block matrices in MATLAB. So I can create matrices in MATLAB from other matrices, and that's what I want to show now. So let's say I've got a vector x1, and it's -1, -2, -3. And let's transpose it. So now I'm putting in the transpose. So this will be a column vector of -1, 2, 3, and then let's say x2 is minus 4, 5, 6. Transpose. Uh, Now I want to create a matrix of x1 and x2. So I want to make a matrix maybe where x1 is the first column and x2 is the second column. Well, let's create another, let's overwrite that original matrix x. Again, I'm going to create a matrix using the square brackets, and inside I'm going to put in now variables that represent matrices themselves. So x1 is the first column. How do I create the second column? Well, I use a comma, and then I write x2. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to create a matrix where I've got two columns, and each column is a column vector of 3 by 1. So what I should get is a 3 by 2 matrix. Yep. Whose x is a 3 by 2 matrix. And then, I mean, another, maybe I want to make x, I want to make x out of x1 and x2, but I transpose them. So x1 is the first row in this matrix. How do I get the second row? Well, I use the semicolon, and now I write x2, and I'm transposing inside. So now I'm starting to use the different functionality of MATLAB to make my life easier. I'm using the little semicolons, or the inverted commas, yeah, to represent transpose. Since x1 and x2 are matrices, I can do that. And so when I do that, now I get the transpose version of the same thing.